What's up, my lifers? How are we? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another day's journey on Angie in Real Life. I am making dinner. I am making homemade chicken salad. I figured since I already had the ingredients together, I may as well video it. So what I use to make my chicken salad, what I have here is chicken breast that I boiled. And then I chopped it up. This was done, I think, like yesterday, day before yesterday. I cooked that. And then I have a scoop of sugar here. Then I have my other ingredients, which is relish. I have Miracle Whip. Some French's mustard. Some celery seeds. Some ground black pepper. Some ground mustard. And boiled eggs. So normally I try to mix my wet ingredients first. So we're gonna put all the eggs in here. And as I said, about 6 eggs. I love eggs, so I use a lot. And then our Mount Olive sweet relish. I don't measure, y'all. I just put what I think is reasonable enough. I put what I think is reasonable enough. And then if it tastes like it need more, I generally add more. And that was my sweet Mount Olive relish. And you can see on the side where it is. Then I do a little of the French's mustard.